Hey. What's up, good people? Welcome to my channel. Shelby here. If you are new here and have never seen me before, again, welcome or welcome back. Mostly welcome. Just everybody, just welcome. As you can see, the the sun has decided to show up today, and so I have spots on my face. I promise you it's not my camera, it's the sun. Let's call it a act of God. That's what they call it in insurance claims. Today I'm going to go in with a foundation routine, pretty detailed, super bronzy, really good for this summer flow that we're all in, you know, but I'm going to do it with drugstore products. We're talking about a budget beatdown, folks. I know that the most popular things in the beauty community right now are they're expensive, and not everybody's budget fits expensive. So we're going to go in and we're going to beat it. Beat it. Anyways, so if you would like to see what this budget foundation beatdown looks like, then please stay tuned. And if you are new to my channel, if this is a welcome instead of a welcome back, go down to the bottom, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's hop into it. I'm going to hop in with my NYX Shine Killer, which is $9. I did a little eye look off camera. If you want to see this look, it'll be posted probably in the next day or so if it's not already posted. I don't know what order this is going to get posted in. But anyway, I use the NYX Off Tropic Palette. Also, budget friendly. The reason I'm excited about this, aside from being like a winner from a money wallet perspective, is that I tried out that ABC challenge where you do your foundation, your eyes, everything in alphabetical order, and I was surprised at how great the result was. Like, my skin looked super smooth, my contour and concealer and everything was underneath the foundation because, you know, concealer comes before foundation, and it still looked really great. And then I remembered that there are a lot of people who actually do their makeup in that order. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna try that out. So today we're gonna do it again, and we're gonna do it with budget friendly products, right? So Shine Killer, $9. That's your primer, done. The only thing that I will probably use that is not super budget friendly, because I want to have a bronzy glow, and I don't have anything in my collection yet that is drugstore and also gives you that that bronzy kind of glass skin look that is so popular right now, is a CoverFX Drops, and this is in the shade Moonlight. The CoverFX Drops, I think, actually are super multifunctional in my opinion. I think you can use them for just about anything. You can use them for highlight, you can use them for a shadow. There's a lot of things you can do with this product. So I've been a huge fan of it, and while it is a rather expensive item to buy just off tops, if you can get your hands on it, I do think it's a dope product to buy. So next I'm going to go in with my conceal and contour. I'm going to go in with Mocha from the Maybelline Superstay Stick Foundation. I got this from Walgreens, and this retails for, let's see, $10. I'm going to go ahead and contour where I normally would. And the interesting thing I think about this is that you can go a little ham, because it's going to be underneath your foundation. Okay. The bow was not a good idea. Why'd y'all let me do that bow knowing it was going to be in the way? Oh, I laugh at myself. I hope that you all are laughing with me. There's no shame. We're having fun. Just laugh. For my concealer, I'm going to go in with the Sleek Makeup Life Proof Concealer. I've tried this a couple times on my channel. It's a really, really cool little product. The Sleek Makeup line in general is just really dope. I love their pricing, but I also love the wide range of colors, but also products that they have, because I feel like they actually have a really good range of things. They've got foundation, they've got powder, they have contour products, they have concealer, they have actually a really healthy line, and it's in the drugstore, and it's super affordable. Go in with my beauty blender. One thing I will say is I don't love that most brands, when they get into the drugstore, they skimp on mirrors. Sleek is not like that. They actually do have mirrors in their palettes. Like, this is a Sleek Makeup palette. It is a trio, and it's got the contour, highlight, and bronzer in the palette, which is really cool, and it comes with a mirror. which is actually really, really great. But in general, it does frustrate me that when you get into the drugstore that they start skimping on the mirror. I mean, we didn't used to have like our colors. Now we have our colors, but now I'm like, but can I get my color and a mirror? Like, why do I have to choose? Then we'll go in and blend in our contour. And you can use a brush or you can use a beauty blender, totally up to you. I have been doing this with my blender, especially for cream products, for a couple weeks now, I would say, and I've been really liking how natural the result is. Let's get into some foundation. Now, there's one thing about drugstore foundations that I don't love, which is that they tend to skimp on the pump or the applicator or all of those things. So that does bug me. Aside from the applicator situation, I feel like there are some really great products in the drugstore. So this is the Black Radiance Color Perfect Oil-Free Makeup in the shade Mocha Honey, and this retails for $5. And then this is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth Sunscreen SPF 18 Normal to Dry Foundation in the shade Coconut 355, and this retails for $10. So I'm going to mix these together carefully because I ain't got no applicator. And oh, I lied. Okay, the Black Radiance does have an applicator. It's like a spatula situation. Okay, I can get with that. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna do a little here like this, and it won't go really badly. Not too much. Not too much. You're not gonna get me today. Not today. I'm going to go in with a brush and then I will go back with the blender. And this is from Sonia Kashuk. You can get this from Target. I love this brush. It's epic. Ooh, that looks good. But look, you see the cut? Cut's still there. Yes. Ooh, it just looks so, good. Like, it looks so velvety smooth. Like, the structure, the lightness from the concealer is still under there. Like, it's still there. I don't lose it. It's like when you put on foundation, you end up with this blank canvas, and it's not just color, but it's also the color that corresponds to the structure of your face, right? So the top part of my face is going to be lighter. So it's all because it's the front planes of my face are lighter because they're closer to the sun. Like, they get more sun. They end up getting bleached over time, so they're brighter, right? And then the parts of my face that are further back or not as prominent, they get less sun. So that's part of what makes your face look the way it does. So when you do a foundation, you pretty much are wiping away all of that structure and all of that color, right? Well, if you have it underneath, then the structure is still there, but it's kind of still one color. It's hard to explain, but I definitely see it. It's like your face has good bones instead of, oh, she's wearing a bunch of concealer and contour. Like, skin though, okay. And the glow underneath from the Cover FX, I promise I'll find a drugstore dupe. I know it's out there, I just haven't bought it yet. I think that Maybelline has one and Revlon has one, and CoverGirl does too. It's very popular. But yeah, this is nice. Okay, I'm gonna go back over it with my beauty blender just to, for good measure. And then we'll do some powder. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop Brow Boss, and I'm gonna do my brows really quickly. This retails, I want to say, for like $6 on the Colourpop website, and I'm trying to do my best not to do too much stuff that you can't get in the normal store. But I am a fan of the Colourpop. Actually, scratch that. Let me go ahead and do my powder first. I lied. I'm gonna do my powder first. So I've got two powders that I'm gonna go in with. One is the Black Opal Shine Control Powder in the shade Invisible, and this Black Opal powder is $7 in the store. And then also the Colourpop No Filter Banana Powder. I'm gonna go in with the Black Opal powder in Invisible and the Colourpop Banana Powder, and I'm going to set my whole face, and then I'm going to highlight a little bit under my eyes with the Colourpop powder. Both these products retail for $7, and you can get the Black Opal powder in retailers, regular CVS, Walgreens, all that jazz. And then the Colourpop powder you can actually get in Ulta now, but you can also just get it on their site. So either one, whatever makes you happy. Then I'm going to go in with the Colourpop powder, and I'm going to set and highlight underneath my eye. Not too much, because I don't need to set that much. It's already pretty much in there good from the Black Opal. I'm going to do a little bit of reverse contouring down here. Very nice. Then I'll go over it just with the same brush, no new product, just to help it all marry. Let's get married. I'm ready to commit to you. That just happened. You did not imagine that. You are not having a seizure. That happened. All right. Yes. Maximum effort. We're going to go in with even more powder. I'm going to go in with our highlight, bronzer, and blush. Now, the Wet n Wild bronzer and the Under Construction blush from Colourpop. The bronzer retails for $4 and the blush retails for $6. You can get this at Walgreens, and this I think you can only get on the Colourpop site because it's a special collaboration. I'm going to go in also with my Maybelline Masterchrome highlight. I believe this actually, I think this is $7, $6. Not entirely sure. Again, I just want to call out my culprits that do not have mirrors. Just, anyways, okay, gonna use it anyway. I'm just saying, it's frustrating. I'm gonna start with my bronzer, and this is in the shade What Shady Beaches. So much shade. Oh gosh. Okay. So I'm gonna go here on the top of those cheeks. And just a point, bronzer goes above or on top of your cheekbone, maybe even a little onto the cheek. Contour goes down here, okay? But you can create the structure with either one. It's all about the placement, but you tend to go cooler down here, although sometimes I go warm. But you go cooler down here and then warmer on the top. I would never say go cooler up here because I think it looks weird. It looks sick instead of looking bronzed or chiseled. I'm gonna use the concealer brush to go ahead and also add some structure to the nose. It's already pretty snatched, honestly, but we're just gonna give it a little extra something. I'm gonna go in with my, let's use a fan brush. I love fan brushes. They make you feel so accomplished. I'm gonna go into my Masterchrome. Masterchrome is just like, she's that chick. I mean, like, she's epic. She pays your PG&E. She brings you chicken and like potatoes and like mac and cheese when you're sick, you know, because don't nobody want no chicken soup. Like, I want like chicken. I don't want no chicken soup. I want chicken. I'm just saying. And going over this with my blender to blend it in a little more. Just look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. You see her? Do you see? Do you see? Yes. Oh. Watch me. Maybelline Masterchrome is a whole mood. Like, I know that there are more colors now, but this is the original Molten Gold 100. I think that she consistently gives Omrezi a run for her money, except Omrezi has a mirror. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and lift them cheeks with my blush. This is Construct from the Makeup Shayla x Colourpop collection. And she is very, very pretty, but very understated. She's not loud. She's not a wallflower. Like, you see her come in, but you don't see her see you come in. You don't see her play well, blend well, look good, and we all win. The team gets home. It gets home. I'm gonna do my brows off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so I really like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in and spray. I'm gonna spray with my e.l.f. setting mist. And, ooh, I forgot to do mascara. Shoot, okay, we'll do it real quick. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Drama. But look at that. But look at that. Look at the difference. Like, that one's done, that one's not. That one's done, that one's not. If you don't have any lashes at all, results may vary. I don't know. All right, so I'm back. And let's see. I think I've got the lashes on. Not lashes. I've got the mascara on, and I put my hair in a little hairstyle. You know, I'm not going anywhere right now, but I look cute, so yay us. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Shayla x Colourpop gloss in the shade Neat Freak, and I know it's like, it's almost gone, but I love this gloss, and I need to get some more, so there's that. I'm also gonna go in with the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner. This retails, I believe, for $6. You can get this at Walgreens, and wherever they carry Maybelline. Actually, Maybelline is pretty good for good quality, low price cosmetics, I'll say. Okay, so this is my finished look. That's the lip. I love the way the skin looks. Like, it looks really like vibrant and healthy, I want to say. I realize I'm leaning back and I'm not sure why. Let me move up. So that's the finished look. I like the way the skin looks. I love the smoothness that I have. I think that, I mean, it's not like a revolutionary change of order, but somehow it gives a different look. And I do like the way this looks. I'll have to see how those two foundations mix together wear, because I've never worn them together before. I've worn them separately and I feel like they look good, but like, we'll see what happens. But like, the highlight and the way that my skin looks, I'm here for this. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging in there with me to see the whole thing come together. If you want to see the eye look, go down to the bottom. The link should probably be there unless I haven't posted it yet, in which case check back with me. One woman show, you know, putting it out there, one amazing piece of content at a time. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you are not already a subscriber, go down to the bottom, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, if you've tried this order of foundation or not. Oh, and you can go up to the bottom, go up to the top right here and click the link, and you can go watch me do my ABC challenge, where I discovered that this majesty was possible in reverse. I didn't realize that. So if you want to watch that, go ahead and hit the link and you can enjoy that with me. Thank you so much for watching. Have a dope day, and ciao for now.